In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for Home in this beginner's guide. Whether you're setting up to connect with family, friends, or housemates, this guide will help you step by step navigate and use Teams effortlessly. Start by heading to the official Microsoft Teams webpage to download the app. The link is www.microsoft.com. Microsoft Teams download app. This is where you can find the app suitable for your device, whether you're using Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android. Once downloaded, the installation is just a click away. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. After installation, it's time to sign in. You can use your free Microsoft account, which could be an Outlook, Hotmail, or Live email. If you don't have one, you can quickly create a new account following the prompts. Once you're logged into the app, the next step is to switch to Teams for Home. To do this, look at the top right corner of the app and click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. This is where you'll see an option labeled For Personal Use or Teams for Home. Selecting this option will activate the Home interface, which is tailored specifically for personal and family use. With the Home interface activated, it's time to create or join a group. If you want to set up a new group or community, like one for your family or friends, it's simple. Just follow the prompts to name your group and invite members. Alternatively, if you've been invited to join a group, you can do so by using the invite link or code given to you. Communication with your group is essential, and Teams makes it easy. Use the chat tab to send messages, share emojis, or even share photos. This feature ensures you can express yourself and stay connected. If you're looking to carry your conversations beyond text, click on the camera icon to start a video call. Teams supports both one-on-one and group calls, so it's perfect for catching up with family or having group discussions. Moreover, sharing files and photos in Teams is straightforward. While in chat, click the paperclip icon, which allows you to upload files and pictures. These files will be stored in OneDrive, ensuring they are easily accessible whenever needed. This is particularly useful for sharing memories or important documents across the group. Managing tasks and schedules is another aspect of Teams designed for home use. You can add to-do lists or create shared tasks for common activities, like planning grocery shopping or organizing household chores. To keep everyone on the same page,